The KBOSS Add-on is now available for federal and defense industrial-based customers ready to secure their workspace. Follow the link from the Cocoon Data website, or administrators can find us by searching on the official Google Workspace Marketplace. From there, the KBOSS Add-on is easy to provision. No technical expertise or plugins required. Click to perform an admin install and read through the terms carefully to proceed. KBOSS is configured by an admin on behalf of the entire workspace and cannot be independently installed by individual users. Get selective or empower all your users to explore with a free trial. When you upgrade, our generous usage-based subscription will ensure you're only charged for those who use it. When you purchase a paid subscription for your workspace, you'll initially be billed for the number of workspace users you sign up. However, we also believe that you should only be billed for what you use, so we've developed a flexible pricing model that automatically adapts to your usage with any periodic changes to the number of active members reflected in your billing statement. Now it's time to customize KBOSS for your needs through the KBOSS Cloud Console. Here you can subscribe to KBOSS and push the add-on live to your users. You can use the trial period to explore or jump right in and secure your workspace for the long game. We think you'll find there's no need to look back. For the first time, KBOSS for Workspace will be bundled with a key management service for Google CSE, making it effortless to provision both the Google Docs add-on and a fully managed KMS, cost-effectively and without technical expertise. Follow the prompts to set up your organization's KBOSS for Google Workspace account. You'll be asked to choose from a selection of default classification levels, the first step in customizing your multi-level classification security. Now you've got control of KBOSS for your workspace. Decide who should access what by mapping users to specific classification levels. It's up to Workspace Administrators to set the rules. Let KBOSS enforce them for a streamlined user experience. A user's classification controls determine what levels of classified or sensitive information they can access within the Google Doc. With KBOSS, admins map a specific classification level to one or more groups of workspace users. If you don't have groups already set up, head to your organization's Google Workspace Administration portal to manage users' group memberships. If you ever make changes to workspace groups or mappings, you can rely on KBOSS's live API call to accurately verify a user's access for that exact time. You're all set. It's that simple. The KBOSS add-on is now live and integrated, ready for your users in Google Docs. If you're exploring KBOSS with our free trial, keep an eye on the countdown and upgrade your subscription to avoid any interruption. Simply follow the link in the sidebar or upgrade anytime via the KBOSS admin console. With KBOSS in action, users can encrypt anything, anywhere, anytime. Remember, admins can make changes to classification levels, track usage, or manage billing anytime in the KBOSS account console. For support, reach out to the Cocoon Data team via the support link. KBOSS for Google Docs, the new standard for data security.